In this video, I'm going to cover everything that you need to know about high-ticket affiliate marketing. We're going to talk about some of the differences. We're going to talk about some of the things that you need to do to make sure that you can earn high-ticket commissions. So make sure you watch this entire video to learn everything that you need to know about high-ticket affiliate marketing. For the best tips and tricks to learn affiliate marketing and internet entrepreneurship, be sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell so that you're notified when I upload a brand new video. Also, click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com/start for my #1 recommended way to start a full-time income online. Hello, my name is Alston with alstongodbolt.com. I'm an affiliate marketer and internet entrepreneur who has helped thousands of people across multiple platforms make passive income, and today I want to help you. All right, so let's go ahead and talk about high-ticket affiliate marketing. I'm sure if you're searching for it, you've heard about it before, but you might be a little bit confused between high-ticket and regular affiliate marketing. So high-ticket affiliate marketing essentially is just promoting products that are over $100, $200, $300, and you earn a higher commission. That's really the main difference between high-ticket and low-ticket affiliate marketing. Low-ticket affiliate marketing is usually a physical product, and you're going to earn like 3% commission. For example, a lot of the products that you sell or that you can find over on Amazon are considered low-ticket. For example, the cameras that are behind me, one camera is like $25, and the commission is like 3%. So you're going to be looking at like 30 cents for selling the product. Now, when it comes to high ticket products, those are usually online courses or coaching programs where, again, you can earn a higher amount of money with just one sale. For example, it's very possible to sell a digital product, maybe like web hosting, and you can earn $500 commission at one time. So with low ticket, you're going to have to work kind of harder. You're going to need more sales and more customers to achieve your overall goals. With high ticket, you will probably need fewer customers, but you might have to do things just a little bit differently. Now, in my experience, when it comes to promoting both high ticket and low ticket items, with low ticket items, customers can usually just make up their decision quickly and they're going to make a purchase. For example, again, with that camera behind me, it's only $25. People are going to say, yeah, I can take a risk on $25. They'll go buy it and I get paid a commission. With high ticket affiliate marketing, if you're just promoting the higher end products, they're probably going to want to take some time to think about it. And if they want to take time to think about it, it's going to be more important to get them on your email list so that you can send them emails every single day. Now, with most high ticket items, unless you're selling something like a car or something like that, there is something called a value ladder. Now, a value ladder is simply a step-by-step approach to getting that customer from a low ticket offer to spending more money. Now, the customer just doesn't spend more money on a whim. With higher prices or higher ticket comes more information or more features or more functionality. Let me jump over to my whiteboard and I'll show you what a value ladder is and why it's important when you're selling high ticket items. All right, so here we are at my whiteboard and I'm just going to draw a little line here. This is going to be a chart. This is going to be kind of a math heavy video here, so don't be scared off. Down here we have 0, 0. This is where most people start when it comes to making money in affiliate marketing. As we go up the ladder here, things get more expensive. And again, this is more for high ticket offers. The top, let's say there's a $10,000 coaching program and an affiliate can earn let's say a 50% commission, so they could earn $5,000. Now, right now I'm talking about the importance of a value ladder when getting started with high ticket affiliate marketing. So right here we have value. The farther we get away from 0, the more value that the customer is receiving. And again, this goes for most high ticket programs. So everyone starts here with maybe a free gift or a free guide, a free ebook, a free training. And what happens is they get a little bit of value for free, but they want more. So they go up to the next step. This could be an offer between, let's say $1. You can sell a product for $1 and maybe $9, okay? And so they get a little bit more value. Maybe it's a simple 3-hour training. The next step is something a little bit more expensive. Maybe it's reoccurring, but it's designed to give additional value. Again, this is so that people can actually find success and make money with high ticket offers. Usually, in most cases, people aren't going to go from 0 to spending $10,000. So when you create a value ladder, in theory, you are offering more value for the price. So at $10,000, you might get a one-on-one coaching program with someone that has made $1 million with whatever it is that they're selling. Down here at 5,000, let's say 5K, let's do a K here. 5K, I'll just say that's right there. 5K, you might get a more exclusive coaching program that has a ton of additional value. It's going to obviously have more value than the $9 product here, but of course it's going to be more expensive. So when it comes to high ticket affiliate marketing, most of the processes work this way. They start off with something very low, start off with either a free training, maybe a 14-day free trial. In the case of ClickFunnels, Inkartra has a $1 14-day trial. It's the exact same thing. But then once you get on, after the free trial or the inexpensive offer, they will gradually move you up. For example, with ClickFunnels, they do have a mastermind group that is very exclusive, and I think you have to pay $50K to get into that group. But with that mastermind group, you are a high ticket earner, you're making lots of money, and you get exclusive access to Russell Brunson, who is a marketing genius. He actually took websites and gave them a new name, and now everyone needs a sales funnel. And so this is the process of high ticket affiliate marketing. It works over and over again. You can replace the product. It could be something like dog training. You could give someone a free guide, free checklist to make sure that they are training their dog. The next step up is to sell them a course, maybe, or an ebook. You can sell them a $7 course where you're teaching them 3 or 4 tricks. The step after that could be a $3,000 coaching where you are exposing them to dog training 301, so expert level tips. 5K, you could be Cesar Millan, and you could actually come out to their house and you could teach them for a week or two to better train their dog. So as you can see, as you move up the value ladder, people will tend to spend more money. And as an affiliate, you want to make sure that you are partnering with programs that have some sort of value ladder, because it's much more difficult to have someone go from 0 all the way up to 5K, or 10K. But it's going to be less of a transition if they say yes to the 0 to the free offer, they say yes to the $7 or $9 offer, and then you slowly move them up. This only works if you have a high quality product. This will fall flat if you are just offering maybe Sharpies and then you're offering more Sharpies. People aren't going to spend $5,000, $10,000 on more Sharpies. So that is how that's the structure behind high ticket affiliate marketing. Low ticket, you sell them the security camera that's behind me for $25. It's more of a commodity. It's like when you go to the checkout lane and you buy the candy bar. You need a lot of candy bars in order to make a substantial income. You need a lot of candy bars to get fat, if you're thinking about it that way. You need to sell a lot of those security cameras, or you need to stack security cameras with other things in order to make a significant amount of money. With high ticket affiliate marketing, you basically can make a significant amount of money with fewer sales. Now, what I want to do is I want to show you visually the monetary breakdown. If we take a look here, I have a low, medium, and high ticket commission. So on the far left, low, you make $5 per sale. Medium, you make $150, which isn't unheard of for web hosting. And then high ticket is like a coaching program or something along those lines. If we take away the first level here, we are going to see, let's get rid of that. We take away the first level, you're going to see what it takes to make $100 per day. If you're promoting low ticket products, you need 20 sales. So I would need to sell 20 of those security cameras every single day in order to make $100. With medium, so with web hosting, I would just need to make 1 sale per day. And then of course with high ticket, I would need to make 1 sale per day. And if I make 1 sale every single day, make $100 per day, I'm going to make $36,500 per year, which is a good salary. But if you want to kick it up a notch and you want to make more money, your goal is to make $182,000 per year, you would need to sell 100 of those security cameras every single day, or you would need to make 3 sales of web hosting, which seems a little bit more realistic, or again, you would need to sell 1 high ticket coaching program or consulting, something along those lines. But let's say you wanted to kick it up even more. If you wanted to make $365,000, so basically $1,000 per day, if we unleash this, you would see that you would need to make 200 sales. Now, the problem isn't making 200 sales with that security camera. It's making, finding 365,000 people that are going to need that security camera every single day for months and years to come. The number's not 365,000, but you get the idea. When it comes to Medium, so web hosting, can you find 7 people that need a website every single day? Yes, the answer is probably yes. Or they're looking to change their web hosting provider, or they're looking to become a web hosting reseller. And then with high ticket, can you find 2 people that are willing to buy every single day? Maybe, maybe not. So that is the money breakdown. Those are the numbers behind high ticket affiliate marketing. And if you want to learn more about high ticket affiliate marketing, click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbold.com/start. Watch these videos next to learn more tips and tricks to make money online. Also check out my website, alstongodbold.com, for even more tips, tricks, and tactics to make money online. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share this video with 5 of your friends.